Yeah, blowing smoke in her hair. Bad ting on her knees. Now I'm holding up her hair. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I lost the band, you came prepared. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Don't get saliva on the chair. Whoa, whoa.
Hey babies, what's up? It's been a little while. First things first, I have to say Happy New Year! I'm so happy that it's 2018. Last year, obviously I started my YouTube channel. I uploaded a few videos, maybe like 6 or 7, and I was still kind of like testing out the waters, just deciding what I wanted to do, learning how to edit and just getting into the whole YouTube mind frame. But this year I think I'm ready to like properly dive in. I'm going to be more consistent. That means weekly videos from me, and it's going to be a variety of things. Probably like halfway through the year I'm going to narrow it to 1 or 2 things, but for now I'm just going to have fun, do me, and hopefully teach you and share things with you guys. So I look forward to it. I'm going to upload every week, probably on a Wednesday or Thursday. I'm thinking midweek, and we'll see how that goes. But for now I've got this hair video. So as you can see in the title, it's all about how I did these full locks. I crocheted the back, and then I did some single like plaits at the front, but it's all in the video, guys. It's a voiceover because there was a whole lot going on, but I have explained it very thoroughly. This is my first hair video, guys, so I apologize in advance if my angles are all funny. I actually struggled with it. I didn't think it was going to be as hard as it was, but it's all learning. It's all a learning curve, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to get better at it. But yeah, I did my best. I hope you like the video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe. I would also appreciate if you share. Sharing, you guessed it, it's caring. For now, guys, I will see you later. Okay, so these are the extensions I'm going to be using. I've got 3 packs of Afro Twist Braid Janet collection. It's 100% canicolin. I don't know how to say that, but yeah, that's what it is. And it's, yeah, in 1B, because that's my colour. I usually go for 1B as opposed to colour 1. So yeah, 3 packs of that. And then I've got this one. I've actually got like 3 different braids because I bought this at different times. But yeah, I've got Ginny's Beauty Marley braids, it's called, and it's in like a red colour. So I'm actually going to mix 2 different colours together, the black and this one. It looks a bit dark, but no, it looks a bit bright, sorry, but it's actually like this. It's more of a, it looks orange, it looks like an orangey ginger colour right now, but I assure you guys it's actually burgundy. It's actually burgundy in real life. So that's that. And then finally I've got this twist, this like curly hair. It's made for crochet. I've got 2 different brands. So this is Brazilian Curl Crochet, and it's basically just hair extensions for me to put underneath the 4 locks, and I've tried to get it in matching colours so I can have a bit of a curl like underneath. If you don't know what I mean, I will show you. You'll see when I get it done. And then obviously I have the crochet hook right here, crochet hook, and of course accessories. I've got these for $1.49, as you can see. This is all from FAUX. So that's my tools, guys. 3 of each. I don't know, I feel like this is probably too much, but you know, I'd rather have like more than less. I rather have more than this, so I wouldn't want to like get halfway and then realize that I don't have enough and then have to go back. That would not be cool. So this is it, and I'm gonna show you my braid pattern in a minute. Okay, so let me excuse the way my hair's looking. I did this myself, guys, so please like give me a break here. But that's the braid pattern. It's all going back, and I've also left a bit at the front. So this is me trying to do my first crochet. So I found the best method is like just putting the hook through first and then splitting the hair and pulling that through. It took me a minute to get the hang of it because this is actually my second time doing this, but that's the best method that I found. So yeah, that's me just securing the braid. And oh yeah, the front is, I've left that out for me to do single crochets because obviously I don't want cornrows at the front. But yeah, so you secure it and then you braid, baby, braid. Also, do not mind like how bent my braids are. I'm so embarrassed all of a sudden. But I tried. And then at the end you just want to secure it. It's just like a normal knot. Like so. To be honest, I shouldn't have used this type of extensions. It wasn't as curly as I thought, and it lost its curl at the end. But anyway, so I did a few more just to get the hang of it, and this is it once again. So hook goes through the hair and then pull it through, and then you find the loop at the end, and then half of it just goes in there and pull. It's really fiddly. I'm pulling the wrong part, but you get the drift, right? You get the drift. And yeah, it does take a while, guys. Make sure you practice. So as you can see, I did quite a few on the right side and then decided to start on the left. I didn't really finish the ends, that's why it's still kind of looking crazy, but I just wanted a different angle for the sake of the video. So again, hook goes in. It helps to like hold it down with your thumb, push it down just like that, and then pull it through, because otherwise your hair, the needle will get caught in your hair and it's a nightmare. So I mean, eventually you do get the technique. And also, if you don't pull it through properly, then you might risk the extensions kind of just falling straight out. So it's all right to redo it, but you just keep practicing. Also make sure it's secure, because otherwise you'll be left with the top being quite bumpy if it's not tightened properly. And then yeah, you braid it all the way down. I also realized that if you braid it, it will take a long time, so I ended up just twisting it halfway, not even halfway, like a quarter, so you can see me twisting right there. And then it's just much faster. This is definitely takes half the time that it would have taken if you braid it. And then I just did a normal knot right at the bottom. So I did a few more, and this is where I've gotten to. I didn't actually realize how many braids I could fit on a cornrow. I slightly misplanned, and I think I did like around 10 per row, but in hindsight I think I would have done those cornrows a little bit smaller and probably just added a fewer braids, because obviously locks are already full, so you're gonna have a lot of hair on your head. Right, I'm just separating the hair because I'm about to show you how I do the actual locks, how I add the kind of colon hair to the plait. So you want to take about 2 pieces of hair like this, and then literally from the top start twisting. I like to don't twist like from the very top. As you can see, I have started like a few inches in. I don't really know how to explain it, but if you watch what I'm doing, you can see that I'm not starting directly at the top of that extension. I've started a few inches down so that I end up securing it while I'm twisting, and that obviously is going to prevent it from falling off. And then this is the best method that I found for myself for securing it. Just light it, man. Use a lighter and light that bad boy. Okay, so this is what I ended up doing to the front. So I sectioned it off as best as I could, and I did these little braids. So obviously we don't want cornrows at the front because it's going to make it a little bit bumpy, so I'm doing it individually. So this method is a little bit different, as you will see. Firstly, I'm attaching some extensions to my hair, like right in the middle ish. I do not want to add it to the top of my head because then it's quite easy for it to slip off. So instead I'm attaching it like right in the middle, and that way when I add the locks, it has a better grip. Because what used to happen is that it just all slips off because of the weight. So doing this is a little bit more secure. So braiding is pretty easy. You start like halfway down your braid and you braid it in, and you can see like where my hair connects. You can see exactly where my hair and the extensions connect in the middle. And this is something else that you sometimes have to do a few times because it can be fiddly. So this is another one that you can see. I've sped it up, but yeah, same technique. That's what it looks like. And of course you want to braid it halfway and then start twisting. Okay, so time for the main part. So this time the hook goes right through the braid, and then you pull the lock through that. And like the back, you pull it through the loop and secure it. So as you can see, I have not like tied it round like the back because this is more secure. And then one half goes down with the braid, and then the other half goes around the two, just like that. So once again, we're securing that bad boy. We're making sure that it is sturdy and it's not going to slip off my head. Make sure you pull it, like make sure you pull and keep it taut, otherwise it's going to unravel very easily. So just carry on twisting it all the way down. Once you get to the end of the hair, as I am approaching, I usually will swap and use the other side, and then as it runs out, because it eventually will, you add another piece of the hair with the same method as before. So you add it a few inches down and then carry on twisting it downwards, and this is just going to help us secure that hair extension. And of course, I'm going to seal the ends by just burning it and also twisting it with my fingers. Don't know what I was looking at. So once again, this is the method. Hook goes in, use your finger to unhook, forefinger and middle finger to pull it on, pull through, and yeah, put it through the hoop. It's that simple, guys. Well, I mean, it sounds easier than it looks, but once you get the hang of it, I assure you it's pretty straightforward. But yeah, that's all there is to it. If you guys watched some of my videos last year, I want to say thank you so much. I know there wasn't too much going on, but thank you for rocking with me. This year's going to be much better. I didn't really upload too many videos, but I appreciate just views and I appreciate the comments as well. I've got so much planned. I'm going to be more consistent. I have like ideas and creative juices just like oozing out of my pores. And I'm so excited to upload and just get them out there. Make sure you come back because I've got so much coming. See you guys.